can't believe we're finally here. Had you told me 14 years ago that we'd be getting married, I wouldn't have believed you.
Elizabeth, many years ago, you shared with me your dad's last written message to you. On the subject of marriage, he wrote the following.
Hopefully you'll find someone who is loving, kind, and trustworthy. Marriage is a two-way street. You know how you should be treated. Don't settle for less. I can confidently say that I have managed to accomplish exactly what he had hoped for.
It is my greatest honor, after reading that message, that you have chosen me to stand across from you here today.
Friends and family, it is an honor to welcome you to the wedding of Patrick Kelly and Elizabeth Eckerman Nardella. Their joining together in matrimony is born out of mutual respect, trust, and an everlasting love. As one who has witnessed their considerable joy they find in one another, I'm very happy to be a part of this day and watch them falling in love with each other today and every day.
Patrick, you're my best friend, and I promise to always be there for you whenever you need me. I promise to make you laugh and smile as much as you make me do the same.
I will always make sure you are surrounded by friends and family that love you. I will always communicate with you and provide encouragement and support in your life decisions. During inevitable hardships, I will always continue to work with you as a team. I will sacrifice and endure any hardships or discomfort to ensure our family has what it needs to thrive.
I can't wait to see what adventures life has in store for us, whether it's out exploring the world together or sitting inside exploring the world of Warcraft. Many of our guests here know we're pretty big nerds, but despite our travels to Azeroth, Middle-earth, the village hidden in the leaves, Hogwarts, or a galaxy far, far away, the most magical world to me is the one where I get to wake up next to you every day for the rest of my life and call you my husband. I love you, Patrick, forever and always.
By virtue of the authority vested in me by the state of California as a Deputy Commissioner of Civil Marriages for the County of Riverside, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Patrick, you may kiss your bride. Friends, families, I am honored to present to you Patrick and Elizabeth Kelly.
I want everybody here to know tonight that when Elizabeth and I were planning probably one of the most impactful days of our entire lives, we thought of each and every one of you individually and wanted to share this night with you. So you were chosen to be here. Thank you for being here.
It is through your friendship, your prayers, your company, your care, whether directly or indirectly, that they are the exceptional, talented, and caring people who are now bound in union. I'm so touched and moved by the words of my husband. I am reminded how truly lucky I am to have been married to my best friend, Paul, for 24 years. I know I speak for myself as well as Paul in thanking you for all you have done and for being here now.
This is the kind of love we only dreamed about as kids. And I couldn't be happier that you found the person that you can continue to dream with and share so many firsts for years to come.
I've known Elizabeth for 28 years. And she is my big sister who somehow became my best friend. relationship began in a world of color, and I am so happy to see that's only grown more brighter and colorful through the years. And I look forward to seeing where it will go in the future. I love both of you. I love all of you. Cheers to the bride and groom.